I chose to attend the Laundromat Millionaire Pickup and Delivery Workshop because I wanted to, whilst I thought that I would probably eventually create a model that was successful, I really wanted to learn from someone who's been in the industry far longer than I have and made the mistakes at their expense. So I saw it as a way to accelerate my timeline and reduce the costs associated with trial and error with creating my own pickup and delivery model. Was the workshop worth the investment? Without a doubt, it was definitely worth the investment. So not only did we have two very packed days with Dave and Carla and their team, both in the classroom and touring the facilities, but we also came away with this extensive 100-page handbook, and then after the workshop was completed, I received a bunch of electronic performers and templates that we've been able to use since the workshop. And I've got to say that every day since the workshop, I've found myself referring back to either those electronic tools or the handbook that I received. So 100% worth the investment, and wouldn't hesitate to recommend it to anyone who's considering it. My opinion of the workshop was that it was comprehensive and well thought out. It was quite clear that Dave and his entire team had spent both a significant amount of time preparing for the workshop and also the delivery of the workshop itself.